Vishnu, Associate Professor from Sanjani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Today I am going to present my topic on biomass power generation and ISO 14001 standard. Uh, this topic I have taken for my last video. In that video also I have presented the biomass power generation and its different techniques. The YouTube link is given. In that I have discussed the origin of the biomass, different biomass resources, different technology which is used. Out of all this, we have chosen direct combustion technique. And then we have seen the biomass energy and its impact on the environment. CO2 emission, carbon emission, CO2 means carbon dioxide, methane, gas, ROPs, then acidic rain, and etc. Today we are going towards what are the different sources of biomass. Here I am going to show the pictorial representation of all the biomass sources which we are going to get mentions. Then we are going towards the actual process of the biomass. In the last video already it is mentioned, so just I am recapping it. We are going to get cultivated the biomass in the farmer's field, and from there we are going to get collected. After collection it can be used as a fuel along with the coal inside the boiler to heat the water and convert the water into the steam. That steam is going to be utilized to drive the turbine which is coupled with the generator. As turbine is going to get drive, generator is also going to get drive, which will going to get produces the electricity. And the stream which is striking the turbine is sending to the cooling tower for the cooling purposes. And again same water is going to get utilized for our next process. Here all these plant is nothing but it is the one of the company which is going to get generate the things. Now whenever companies or organization is going to operate, there are two important standards are coming in. One is called the ISO 9001 and another is ISO 14001. When we are going towards the 14001, it is called the environmental standard. ISO 14001 is an international standard that specifically requires for an effective environmental management system. So here we are directly going to get deal while running our plan or organization what steps we are going to take to cover the environment. It provides a framework that an organization can follow rather than establishing environmental performance requirements. Currently in the market, ISO 14001-2015 and is used, and certified organizations were given a 3 year transition period to adopt their environmental management system to a new edition of a standard. At the highest level, ISO 14001-2015 covers basically the 7 steps. First is context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvements. So it's a chain process where we are going to say. What is the purpose of this ISO 14001? ISO 14001 is an internationally accredited standards that sets out the requirement for an environmental management system. It helps organizations improve their environmental performance through more efficient use of resources which they are available with them or which they are utilizing, and reduction of the waste, gaining a competitive advantage and trust of the stakeholders. Then what is should be the benefit of this? The benefit of ISO 40001-2015 for the organization and the environmental management system. Firstly, they are going to improve resource efficiency. Secondly, reduce waste. Thirdly, drive down the cost. Fourth, provide assurance that environmental impact is regulated. Gain competitive advantage in supply chain design. Next is the increase new business. Next is the meet legal obligations. Now at this present, the globe is facing a lot of problems. There is a flood is coming out, there is a forest are coming, sea level is increasing, ice is melting, and so many things are happening which are against the environment. And all this is going to happen because of we are not caring the environment. Hence, there is a one organization has put some civil obligation on each and every organizations. So we have to get that benefit here. Increase stakeholder and customer trust. If you are following the rule and regulation and you are taking the care of the environment, then definitely your stakeholders and customer is going to be trust. Then improve overall environmental impact. Management, environmental obligations and consistency. So there are a lot of benefits is there. While dealing with this is not the only one standard. There are different standards are available. Environmental Management System Standard is called as 14,004-2016. Then 14,006-2011 is called the Environmental Management System Guideline for Environmental Eco-Designs. ISO 14015 and as a 2001 is the Environmental Assessment of Sites and Organizations. ISO 14020 and 2000 is the Environmental Labels and Declarations, that is the general principles. ISO 14031 2013 is the Environmental Performance Evaluation Guidelines. Then ISO 14040 coming in 2006 is the Environmental Management, under which it is coming Life Cycle Assessment Principles and Framework. Then ISO 14050 2009 is the Environmental Management Vocabulary. Then ISO 14063 which is coming in year 2006 is the Environmental Management under Environmental Communication Guidelines and Examples. ISO 14064 1 is coming in year 2018, and this is the most important which is coming out for greenhouse gases. A part 1 is coming, part 2 is waiting. Then ISO 9011 2018. These are the guidelines coming for auditing the management system. So there are different this type of the ISO standards is there. We have to study this and utilize this. For this preparation of video, I have utilized this of the resources. Thank you.